The EV car is the hot topic lately. You have to do a lot of studies before getting one. It's like the range, the charging, what apps you have to download, where is the charging stations, and so on. For the EV from Japan, there's one thing you need to know. It's the charging port. AC or DC fast charge. What I have here is the Audi e-tron. Let's see. This is Type 1 AC. For the passenger side, it's called CHAdeMO DC fast charge. When your car comes with these two charging ports, there's some small issue and extra work you need to do. Let's go through the types of charging port out there. AC DC fast charge. For North America, it's called Type 1. For the DC, it's a CCS Type 1. In Europe, it's Type 2, and the fast charge DC is called CCS Type 2. What is CCS? CCS means Combined Charging System. So actually, for the CCS, you can see it's same with the one AC. It's just additional 2 ports under there. So it's called CCS Type 1, CCS Type 2. As for the Japan and Korea, they are using Type 1. Same with the North America. But the DC fast charge, they use CHAdeMO. What is CHAdeMO? I'll talk about it later. And for China, ports are different, but they are using the same code. It's called GBT. NACS, this is by Tesla. AC or DC, they are the same. The port are the same. NACS stands for North America Charging System. How about this GBT? GBT is a Chinese language. It's called GB. It's called, in Chinese they call it 国标, and T is called 推荐. 国标 means national standard. 推荐 means recommended. So it's called National Standard Recommended. DC fast charge for the Japan or Korea is called CHAdeMO. What does it stand for? It stands for charge the move, or we call it charging for moving. But actually, it's Japanese. It's called or CHAdeMO ikaga desu ka. It means let's have a cup of tea while charging. These are all the plugs available, and for my country, Malaysia, I'm using Europe. So it's either Type 2 or CCS Type 2. But we are bringing in the Recon car from Japan. For example, the Audi is using Type 1 and CHAdeMO. So you need to do extra work because there's no Type 1 charge station out there. If you are charging at home, you have no issue with that. You can choose either to use this or use the DC fast charge CHAdeMO. But for charging outside of your house, you need to do extra work. You need to download the apps, check around your area, is there any CHAdeMO for you. I'm using PlugShare, one of the most popular apps in my place. With this, you can know where is the charging station around you and also the types of plug. And for this, I already said that in my country, mostly are Type 2 or CCS. But for this Audi from Japan, we have Type 1, which is, I never seen any Type 1 plug. And for this CHAdeMO, yes, I've seen few. But around my area, I've already searched around. This, I just want to show you, there's only one. You see, all are the CCS. All are CCS. Only one CHAdeMO around my area. There's only one. It's all either Type 2 or CCS. Let's go and have a look. Okay, we are here. Charge EV. Before you use it, you need to download the apps Charge EV and link your payment. So this is the Type 1 and this is the CHAdeMO. There's an instruction teach how to do it, and this is the CCS. And this is CHAdeMO. Okay. Just put it, plug it. Okay, this is how you charge. Okay, I'm at another charging station. As you can see, it's very convenient now. There's a AC charge or direct fast charge. For the direct fast charge, look, this is the CCS. Okay. So there's no CHAdeMO plug. As for the AC plug, it's like that. Oops. Okay, this is the AC plug. This is the Type 2 instead of Type 1 that I have. So if you would like to charge your car while doing grocery, you need to maybe to get an adapter. Is it available?